what is the most challenging part of the course, I think, in your mind? What is the thing that, having gone through it as a student, as a TA, that you're like somebody that's thinking about it really strongly? You know, what do you tell them? What you put your arm around them and you say, this is what's going to be really hard. You need to understand this, but know this. What is it?
For me, it's feeling like an imposter, you know, and kind of having to battle that feeling actively every day, even at work, even after being employed, even after like making it to my first software developer role. You know, before I came to App Academy, I thought it would be the hours, the sheer amount of time, and like work, homework, things like that. But really, like, you just do it, right? You just get into the zone, and that stuff starts to feel really good. It actually takes you out of your own head. If you're somebody like me who's like in their head a lot, coding just rips you right out because you don't have time to think about you. You just have time to learn and do over and over. But the imposter thing, it's real because the material's really hard, and you know, you're entering an industry where the problems, the nature of the problems, no matter what workplace or company you're at, are like really intricate, complex, and you're working alongside people who, from the outside looking in, seem like really brilliant, right? And like they have so much experience, and you know, they're successful software engineers. And you feel like just a baby. You know, you come out of App Academy and into your first job, and you're still very much like a novice, right? You're being formed into a good developer. You have a lot of potential. You have the tools to get the job done, and you know how to grind it out. But now you just need the work and the practice and time. And I think it's only putting in the work that continually you prove to yourself like, oh yeah, I am doing this, I can do this. You know, for me, when I approach a task now, I look at the task and I'm like, okay, I have absolutely no idea about the technology that this entails or how this is connected to XYZ, or you know, how I'm gonna approach this problem. And then you just start reading, right? You just start researching the thing. And after a while, you work on it, and eventually you solve the problem. And then you get to look back and realize like, whoa, I just went from 0 to 100 in terms of my understanding of that. And that feels really cool, you know? It gives you the confidence that you can approach anything you don't know and learn it, do it, and achieve it. So yeah, and that in and of itself is what crushes imposter syndrome. It also helps being around a bunch of other new engineers who are feeling and sharing that same feeling.